It's corn harvesting season, and our corn's coming on like crazy. It's been a bumper crop this year, but we've had some extra friends coming in to share corn with us. So we've had raccoons come in, and they're just really starting to damage the corn. You can see the broken stalks all over the place, and they've just been eating so much corn. I can't imagine how a creature as small as the raccoons can do so much damage in a short amount of time. I mean, there might be a little family coming through, but there's 30 or 40 cobs every night when they come in and do damage. And you know, I can only eat a couple cobs, you know, when I sit down for dinner, but they're just eating literally, you know, tens, dozens, you know, in the hundreds of cobs of corn. And the corn looks just amazing this year. I can see why they want to have it. So this is a new variety. It's called Nirvana, and the Nirvana just is a gorgeous corn. Bicolor, fills out all the way to the tip. I'm getting 2 or 3 ears per stalk, and the corn quality is just absolutely amazing. But what we're dealing with is raccoons, and so I'm going to show you how to set a trap to catch the raccoons, because they're very, very intelligent. They can work their way around fences, they can work their way around all kinds of deterrents, but really one of the best ways to control them is with a trap. So baits are critical. They like fresh fruit, so we'll usually do some bananas or cantaloupe. We've got a little bit of tuna over here. You can see the wasps like the tuna as well too. But tuna is great. They love fish, and so that works really, really well. Little berry compote works really well too. Anything that's got a lot of smell to it that they're going to be attracted to. So usually we'll do a little bit of fruit, a little bit of fish or chicken. Works great and attracts those guys in. So with a live trap like this one's unique. Usually you'll have to put like a little tray of food in there and slide it to the back. But with this particular trap, the bait box is right down here in the bottom, and so you can actually put your bait right down in the bottom. We're just going to do a little bit of fish in there, and that bait box will lock that fish in, so they can't actually get to the bait. They have to go in there and try and dig it out. So you can see the bait's locked in place there. Now to set this trap, I'm going to get this food out of the way. To set this trap, and this is a locking trap. So once the gate goes down, it'll lock in place so they can't push the gate back open. So it's going to come up just like that. And that's pretty much it. So when this plate gets triggered, there's a little bar that comes across here that we've locked with this little latch right here. So it'll latch the door open, but when somebody comes and steps on the plate, then your trap closes and they're locked in place. So very easy to set the trap up, easy to bait, and the only problem is figuring out what to do with the creatures once you catch them, because you won't catch just raccoons. We've caught cats, neighbor's cat, caught our own cat on multiple occasions, and we have caught skunks as well too. So just be prepared for whatever you're going to catch in your trap. But again, super easy to set, and very, very effective at catching all kinds of critters that might be having fun in your garden at night when you're not sure that anybody's out there picking and enjoying your corn.